welcome to the show. You may notice that the viewing angle is a bit different for this video, because today I've got myself this. This has arrived in the mail today. My loot crate. So let's rip into it and see what we have got. Unfortunately, I didn't pre-plan and break the plastic, so I just have to guitar picks. Make very good box cutters. Okay, so I'm going to do a different version of this for the next month's one, and where we look down on the table, but I quite like this idea. So the first thing I pull out is like a armband, a wristband. So the choice of only just opening up the box. Yep. MLG sort of sweatband, I guess. Not seen one of these before. What is it? Talking Optimus Prime, The Local Subjects, Series 2, vinyls. Okay. It's a blind bag. Feels kind of... I love them. Oh, that's cool. Look at that. So it's a... Wow, that's actually really quite nice. I'm not sure how well you can see that, but that's cool. I see it articulated and whatnot. All the important things. Not much information about it on the box. Oh, it's Shockwave. There you go. I'm not, as you can tell, I don't follow Transformers. That's really nice. That'll sit on my desk. Sit on my desk. It'll go up there. And it's fallen over already. What's next? Oh no, that's cool. That is awesome. Look at that. That is just awesome. Time travel. Oh, that's brilliant. That is very cool. That is very, very, very cool. I like that. I'm gonna... That is cool. That is very, very cool. I like that. That's the premium t-shirt in the box. I'll pop that over just to the side there. What else we got? I don't want to open up the rest of this anymore. Loot crates, I love it. It's a Hex Bug Transformer. Yeah. It's a crosshair. That's cool. Transformable Nano moves by using vibration technology. Oh, it is those little bug things. Ah, that's cool. I like that. That is very cool. Can you hear it? Can you hear it? I don't know how that works. Ah, it was weird to pick up. Oh, very cool. I like it. I like that a lot. That's wicked. I'll be playing with that for hours, I'm sure. Except I just broke it. And I fixed it! That's cool. That is very cool. I will find the right way of unboxing one of these, but I've just never opened one before, so this is really kind of cool. Just a handful of lollies, which of course we all know that I need. Oh, this change of focus thing's fun. We got a Transformers sticker, plus some MLG stickers as well. A MLG exclusive thing, which have got codes on the back, which I'm not going to show, which is cool. Got ourselves a Loot Crate badge for the month of Transformer. Very cool, very nice. I'll collect many of these. Have a nice collection of them. And we've got this month's book. And that's it. That is your basic Loot Crate. I do like the Loot Crate box. So some very cool stuff in there. A few little toys, a few little sour lollies. So a quick look through the booklet. The booklet just explains what's in it, and you know, this month was Transformers for the new Transformer movie that's coming out. Cool little comics and mazes and Loot Crate people, name generator. There's also a Mega Crate there, but I don't think I'll get that. Cool. The Mighty McPrime t-shirt. I love that t-shirt. It's so much fun. So those different lollies and nanobots and the all the other cool stuff in there. Cool. So thank you very much for watching this sort of unboxing of the Loot Crate June 2014 Transform. Next month's Loot Crate is Villain, I think. So it'll probably be here end of July. So that's something to look forward to. Thank you all very much for watching this video. Hopefully you guys liked it. If you've got any feedback for me, please don't be afraid to leave it down in the comment section below. Hopefully that sounds right worded. So yeah, thank you very much, and I'll see you guys in the next video.